everyone, you're welcome back to NG Styles Kitchen. So today we'll be making some delicious Cowfoot coconut curry sauce. So we start by adding some vegetable oil in a pan. Allow the oil to heat up a little bit, not too much. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, canola oil, and so on. So next we add some minced garlic and ginger roots. Yeah, allow it to fry for about 2 minutes or so. Then next we are going to add some diced onion. I'm using purple onion here. You can use white onion or any onion you have available. Okay, we're going to fry this onion for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. Yeah. So after that, go ahead and add some habanero pepper, some diced habanero pepper. I'm using four pieces of habanero pepper. Just use, you know how hot you want it to be. Then next, I added some carrots, followed by some diced cabbage. I'm going to stir them up, stir it to mix properly. Just fry this for about 1 minute only. Okay. Then after 1 minute, I'm going to go ahead and add some diced green bell pepper, some diced spring onion, and parsley leaf, fresh parsley leaf. Yeah, that's the type I'm using. Some fresh parsley leaf. Just add it there. No need to slice the parsley leaf, but if you love it to be sliced, go ahead and do that. Just do it the way you love, your choice. Then stir it and allow it to heat up for a minute. Then I'll go ahead and add about a tablespoon of curry powder. Yeah, you can add more, you can add less. Remember, it's your choice. Just do whatever you like. Then followed by a cup of coconut milk. If you want more, you can add up to 2 cups of coconut milk. Here I am using just a cup of coconut milk because I'm making a little sauce. So stir it properly to combine with the vegetables. Then next I'm going to go ahead and add some meat stock. That's the liquid we got out from cooking our cow food. So add the meat stock, stir it properly. Make sure all the ingredients mix and marry themselves, So next I'm going to be adding the cow foot, the cooked cow foot. My cow foot have already been cooked, as you can see. So just add it to the sauce and let it soak into the mix. Then next I'm going to go ahead and add some seasoning cubes. Add some all-purpose seasoning. You can use salt. If you don't have all-purpose seasoning, you can use salt. I'm not using salt here. All-purpose seasoning is the same as salt. It contains a lot of salt if you know about it. So you mix it properly. Then cover it and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Just allow it to boil for about 5 minutes so that all the ingredients will marry themselves. So after that, I went ahead and add some mixed cornstarch, like a tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with water. I have to dissolve it in water and then add it to it. This helps to thicken this sauce. You don't want your sauce to be watery, so just thicken it a little bit. If you want it to be over thick, you can add more. Then next, I went ahead and add some soy sauce. This is optional. If you don't have soy sauce, you can leave it out. I just added it some soy sauce to give me that taste, that Korean taste. This I got it. It's an inspiration from Korea dish from my Korea friends. So mix it properly and allow it to cook for about 2 minutes or so. And as you can see, the sauce is ready. It's very easy to make, but very delicious. You can eat this with rice. We enjoyed it with rice, and you can eat it as it is. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.